In this video, how to add Android Auto to your vehicle.
Connect your Android phone and then rotate to enter Android. Android Auto CarPlay is highlighted. Press enter and you're entering the Android Auto world. You control everything with the joystick. This is Apple CarPlay. You got many applications. We actually got 4 pages of applications, or even 5. As you rotate the joystick, you go through the application pages. Just like in 2019 Acura MDX. So let's go ahead and look at this. We got HDMI and we got our Apple TV. Apple TV is pretty convenient because you can use the remote to control it. It's all in HD quality.
Acura MDX years 2010 to 2013. All NavTool products are 100% designed and manufactured in the USA. Please support American jobs. NavTool, established in 2002. This interface does not replace factory radio or factory screen. This interface enhances the factory screen with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, HDMI mirroring, and cameras. All factory features work the same as before. This interface is see-through, meaning the vehicle does not detect that the interface is installed in the car.
Now let's demo Android Auto. Connect your Android phone and then rotate to enter Android. Android Auto CarPlay is highlighted. Press enter and you're entering the Android Auto world. You control everything with the joystick. You got the following options. By voice you can say, "Hey Google, I want pizza."
Okay, handing off to Waze.
Here are the search results for I want pizza.
As you can see, the mouse is on the bottom right now. If you see any lines on the screen, they're not there in the real picture. This is just how camera is capturing the image on the screen. You got your phone calls here. You can call somebody if you want to. Now we're in the top menu. You can read out the numbers. You can see they're highlighting. Now, let's say you want to go into the bottom menu. All you got to do is press up one time and you're entering the menu on the bottom. Now you see it going through the highlights. Let's go into the audio menu. You got your radio stations. If you press up one time, you're going to end up in the menu, and this is highlighted again. And if you want to change the app, you press one more time. We got a bunch of apps. So in this case, we got Amazon Music, Google Mute Play, Spotify, and TuneIn Radio. If you want to get out, go into a different option. You either enter, so we're going to enter back into Spotify. We're not logged in, but you can log in into Spotify. If you want to go into one of the menus, press up. The last one is to exit. This is returns to the main menu. However, in this car, you can also return by simply pressing Map Guide, and it gets out. So press Map Guide just to get out.
Thank you for watching. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to the channel, or click the link on the right to watch the full video.